Welcome to the streets of Camden City. This is Masters at Wagtail coming at you with a positive message. I did a little experiment and I wasn't getting any tips tonight, right? So I decided to just change the way I thought. You see, how people react to you depends on how you act. So basically, if you want people to treat you good, you have to be good, right? Change your mindset. So I changed my mindset to be positive, and it had positive results. Until I changed my mindset that I was in a good mood, I just made up my mind that I was going to be in a good mood. So I normally call the customer before I deliver the pizza, so I don't have to get out my car or wait outside too much. You know, I'm in the city, man. You got to know how to move in the city. So I said, "Hi, is this Louise? Or is this James? Or is this Rick?" Whoever the name of the customer is. And then I say, "Your friendly neighborhood pizza guy is outside." And they laugh. Every single one of them gave me a tip. I did this 3 times in a row and got 3 tips in a row when it was paid with credit card already. Half the time I get them to sign thinking maybe they might just give me a tip, but usually they never do. But when I said, "Your friendly neighborhood pizza guy," how could you not give that guy a tip? You know, he seems like he's happy, he's positive. You see, I changed my mindset. I made them want to give me a tip because I put a smile on their face and they're happy to get their food with a nice greeting like that. So immediately, if they didn't have any intentions of giving me a tip, I soon won that and changed that into my favor. So that's tonight's message. If you want something to go into your favor, don't cry about the current situation. Change your mindset and believe that it's already there on a positive note. So I didn't have any intentions on getting a tip. I just decided to change my mood, my mindset. And that's what was enough to give me a tip. But y'all get what I'm saying. This is Masters at Wagtail, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Chase Street, baby. Check it out. Chase Street.